Anyarc, strongly positioned in high-tech manufacturers and capable to produce high-precision coaxial cables, test cables and coaxial adapters, has been consistently delivering high-quality products to the world. Our products lie in 5G, 6G internet communication, automotive radar and navigation, which is applied everywhere. We can also be found in phased array radar, high power transmitting, electronic countermeasure, and vector network analyzer test. Having many years of experience in research, design, and production, Anyarc has been offering a durable and robust range of products that not only ensures safe and reliable operations, but also ensures efficient conduction of microwave signal throughout the lifespan. Quality, stability, and reliability are the key points we always adhere to and pay attention to. With a strong determination to produce world-class quality cables and adapters, we always meet international standards as well as customer-specific requirements. We look forward to be your supplier, and you won't regret choosing us. Customer needs first. One goal, one Anyarc.